topic. The today topic is that means that is super. What are super? Okay, what are super?
Sweeper.
Right. So basically super is another type of virus which looks like an antivirus. What it is? What it is look like? What it is look like? It looks like a antivirus. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Everyone turn on your faces. Everyone please. Turn the video on everyone so that I can see to you. Next, Anjali Tripathi. Anjali Tripathi, turn your face on. Okay, sit properly. Sit properly everyone. And just I'm explaining one by one topic. So I was explaining sweeper. So sweeper is another type of virus which looks like an antivirus. Again, you got gone Nida Khan. Your faces should be on till complete this class. So sweeper is another type of virus which looks like an antivirus program and user unintentionally downloads. That means there is no intention of the user to download this type of software, but unintentionally this is downloaded and this will harm to your computer. So basically how this will harm once it is installed, so it like a fake malware files in computer which gets automatically started when the user logs in the window. That means if you that means this will intensely this will be downloaded. That means there is no intention to download this and this will be downloaded automatically. So students, Anjali Tripathi, Anjali,
Yes, sir.
why your face is down?
Sir, simply doing that.
What simply doing?
Nothing.
So so
I don't have books, so I asked someone so that I am what you're teaching that I'm saying from book that I am doing.
no,
Without book we cannot study. That's why.
just listen the concept only. So
Okay.
at in intensely this is downloaded. That means there is no intention of the user to download it, and this will when you turn on your computer, then automatically it get installed. One student also came, Abhinav Dubey. Let me eh, get permission. Okay, so so without user's knowledge, I already said to you, it performs a scan and prompts security alerts by displaying the list of these fake malware files. These alerts are shown to scare the users into thinking that his computer is infected. One should ignore these alerts and make use of
Good morning.
good morning prompt system to remove the malicious code. That means this is one student also coming, Rudra. Okay, so this is about the Rudra and Aradhya. so these are the basically sweeper. So sweeper is the it is unintentionally downloaded to your computer, and this harms to your when the user logs into the computer. It basically it controls the browsing activity. Browsing activity means what you are searching, what you are doing. So these all activity is monitored by the sweeper. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
So it controls the browsing activity of the user. Change system files. It can change. It can change the system. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Listen. Listen. It changes the system. Everyone, just mute yourself. Only turn your face on. Turn your face on and mute yourself.
Yes, sir.
So. So student, it perform a scan and prompt security alert. That means what I said. it comes by the browser. It monitors the browser activity intensely. That means change your computer files also. So this type of harms the sweeper will do to your computer. Next, come to the malware. What are the malware? Malware stands for malicious software. Malicious means the software which can harm to your computer. Malware is made by two words, malicious and software. So these are the software which comes to your computer without the user knowledge into the computer and damage it without the user knowledge. That means user cannot understand that a virus came. That means a malware came to the computer, and without the user knowledge, the malware harmed the computer of the user. Okay. And malware also steals the important information of the user. What should be the important information? Sometimes like data stealing. Data stealing means suppose you kept some data on your computer, so it will steal by the other who made this malware. Suppose I made this malware, and malware is entered without the user's knowledge. Suppose I made it, and I send it to your computer. So this will work in your computer. It steals your computer data and sends to me without your knowledge. That means you will not know if someone is stealing your data, but this type of work will be done by the malware. Is it clear to you, everyone?
Yes.
So it doesn't only interrupt the normal functionality of the computer. It steals the data also. It steals the data also. Is it clear?
Yes.
So some examples of malwares are Bancos, BANCOS. It is an information stealer that waits for a user to access banking websites. That means this is a stealer. Stealer means when you are, suppose you are surfing the banking, suppose you are entering the username, password of the banking because you want to some transaction on online banking. So this Bancos steal your username and password and send to its owner who made this Bancos. Okay, so who made this, it will send to him. So he can if anyone will have your username password, then definitely he can steal the, he can borrow your money from the bank. Borrow means withdraw. I'm sorry. He can or she can withdraw the money from your bank without your knowledge. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So Abhinav Dubey, show your face, everyone. I'm not warning every time. So it steals the that means is a very secure information like banking password, banking username. So this type of information is still by Bancos. Is it clear? Next one is Getter. Getter, what is Getter? It secretly monitors web surfing habits and sends this information to its server. That means server means to who is made this Getter. This information, the stealing information is sent to the that means that user. So which then throws related pop-up advertisement. So which type of surfing you are doing? This type of so according to this surfing, you will get the advertisement. So you know the suppose if you listen very carefully, suppose if you search any product on the Google, so when you open the Facebook, then on particular product you will get advertisement. Have you seen this?
No, sir, not using Facebook. Yes.
Not using. So if you use social websites, social sites, and if you search anything,
Yes.
if you search anything like you search one
Like we are seeing any videos then coming.
right, the which videos you regularly see, this comes to your social sites. So this is happened by the Getter.
Twitter, sir,
Twitter, right, Twitter also. So basically students, Getter is just monitoring your web surfing habits and sends this information to its server.
I am using Twitter.
Right. So which then throws related pop-up advertisements. Is it clear to everyone? Next one is computer worms.
Oh,
Next one is, what is computer worms? What is? Next one is
Computer worm.
computer worms. So students, what are computer worms? A worm is similarly to a virus in design, and it is considered to a subclass of virus. That means it is a subclass of virus. Its functionality is, the set and subset. So you can imagine like it is a subset of the virus. Is it clear? It is a subset of the virus.
Yes.
So unlike virus, it is a self-replicating program. Self-replicating means it makes multiple copies, thousands of, lakhs of, 1 crore copies of itself. So if any software is making multiple copies, so that means at a time your RAM memory will be full, so your computer will going to hang. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
So this
Yes.
so this type of work will be, this type of harmful thing will be done by the computer worms. Is it clear?
Yes.
So,
Yes.
good. So it is having self-replicating nature. Which type of nature it is having? Self-replicating. Okay. So
Yes.
it consumes computer memory, so that after some time your computer memory will be full and your computer will goes to hang without any data. If there will be data, then good. But if that copies is, if I take one example, suppose you have a folder inside folder, folder inside folder, folder inside folder to 1 crore time, and there is no data. So one time will come when your computer will go to hang without any data. So this type of work will be done by the computer worms. Right now, I think it is clear.
Yes.
Next comes the Trojan horse. What are Trojan horse? Basically, Trojan horse is derived from the wooden horse used by the Greek army to conquer the city of the Troy. The Trojan horse at first glance will appear to be a useful software, but will actually damage the computer once it is installed. That means when it is installed to your computer, definitely it will harm to your computer. But how it will harm, I need to tell you. Basically, some Trojan horse change the desktop by adding silly desktop icons. That means it adds some icons on your desktop, and some prevent application from running. That means some application from running. That means suppose you have some applications, if the Trojan horse will come, then it will stop to run that applications. Okay. So especially if I'm talking about antivirus applications. Is it clear to everyone? Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So some
Yes.
so some Trojan change the desktop by adding silly desktop icons. Some prevent applications from running, especially antivirus applications. Trojans are also known to create a backdoor on a computer that gives an easy and unauthorized access to the malicious user, thus allowing your confidential or personal information. That means it will also harm, like it will steal your confidential information, like username and password of the banking and some other secure information of your computer, from your computer. Basically, Trojan horse come with the browser. Basically, it attached with the browsers, and when you surfing anything and you are entering the username password like Facebook, like Gmail, like banking password, so it steals and sends to their owner. Is it clear right now?
Yes.
Yes.
Not clear? Not clear?
Clear, sir.
Clear.
Clear.
Next, come to the spyware.
Yeah.
What are spyware? Basically, spyware is a type of malicious software that gains entry into a system and monitor the user activity without his knowledge, and then reveals the collected information to another interested party. That spyware means, what are spyware? Spyware means Hindi mein, if you talk about Hindi, then this is a spy camera. Have you seen this spy camera? Hidden camera, hidden spy camera.
No.
Spy camera, you haven't seen. Spy means hidden camera. So basically someone monitor
Yeah.
you, if someone monitor you, the software which always monitor you, that software is called spyware. So suppose this spyware is used by the companies. Suppose you are an employee of a company. Listen very carefully. Suppose if you are an employee of a company, and in that company there are 1,000 employee, but there are only one management or owner of the company. He want to know that what in a whole day what you are doing. That means he want to monitor everything what you are doing in a day. Basically you want to know that you are surfing, you are using Facebook, you are opening Gmail. So what type of things you are doing with your computer. If anyone wants to monitor this, so this is done by the spyware. So spyware is a software which enters to your computer, and it sends all the activities which you done on the computer to their owner. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So basically spyware means spyware means a software which regularly monitor you. Okay, so this term is taken from the spy camera. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so you can but in your book it is written,
Yes.
spyware programs can collect various type of personal information. So if someone is monitor you, then it can take the information from you, like internet surfing habits, visited web pages, password, and your credit card number. Suppose if your computer a spyware software uninstalled, listen very carefully, then whatever thing you are doing, this everything will be monitored by the spyware. Is it monitored or not? Just tell me. It will be monitored or not if the spyware will enter in your computer.
Yes.
What you are
Yes,
doing? What you are doing? You are using Facebook. You are using Gmail. You are opening the
Twitter.
bank, Twitter. You are using the banking password and username. So everything is monitored by the spyware. Is it clear?
Yes.
So they have the ability to scan the files on the hard drive, snoop other applications such as chat programs or word processor. So that means it also it is capable to send the information like what type of chatting you have done. So this thing I said in earlier, that it monitor to you. That means this software is monitor to you what you are doing with your computer. That's it. Okay. While doing so, they constantly transmit this
Yes,
information
sir.
in the background to someone else, who will constantly transmit this information in the background to someone else, who will either sell the information to another party or use it for the advertising or marketing purpose. So that means spyware, if the spyware software is installed on the computer, then what things you are doing, this all thing is monitored by the the person who made the spyware, and who is the owner of this spyware. And if the owner will get all the information what you are doing with your computer, which type of thing you are searching, so he can send he can sell this information to the person who is really want to sell something. Suppose you want to buy a mobile phone, so you will search it from Flipkart, Snapdeal, many websites you have searched. So
Another
someone,
one.
so someone, if someone steal your information that you are regularly wants to purchase a mobile phone, then he will send this information to the owner. So on what owner will do after spyware, he will do some advertisement for you that I have some phone and my phone is having this discount, so please purchase it. So this spyware, if spyware is used to record your information, and further it can use for advertisement purpose also. Is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
So so I think I cleared sweeper, malware, computer bombs, Trojan horse, and spyware. I will make a separate video and I will send in this group, YouTube group, and
Yes.
also I will share in the group also. So students, I think
Yes. Okay, sir.
this is the end of the class. So thank you everyone.
Okay. Thank you, sir.